we can't help but mention the post-pandemic, the online and digital learning that we brought forward. One by necessity, but we had already started something in the beginning here where we could use technology to help with the different programs that we're offering. Some more than others. You know, you're not going to learn how to fix brakes by watching a YouTube video. If you do, it would be dangerous for a lot of people. And certainly in health, it is a hands-on practical environment. However, with our business programs, that can definitely move towards a more hybrid type learning environment. But the main reason for that is in order to help students with their personal lives. And people that have a lot of responsibilities in what's going on at the time in their life, by providing a hybrid learning environment, and truly hybrid, where you can come to the center today and socialize, we're open. We're open in our different spaces that we offer. We have, you know, all sorts of places that people can either chill out, have a bit of a lunch, or, you know, watch something on their phones, whatever they do during their break, but also can come with their headsets and be in class, even though they're sitting at the top of the stairs on a little loungy type area. I think that's huge for a certain clientele in our business programs that have many responsibilities, especially in the morning and towards the end of the day. So we offer that flexible environment for them. And we do it also in health. We saw a survey that students really appreciate that a good chunk of the first half, or the first a little less than half of their program, they do have the opportunity from time to time to work in a hybrid environment. When lab components are needed, and obviously the practicum that happens outside of here, there's no getting around that. You do that in person. But offering that flexibility, again, I think provides an environment that gives a bit less stress for everything that goes on with our students.